Welcome to Boldaki Learning. In today's video, we will talk about time in Excel. So we will learn how to calculate your work time using Excel. So as you can see over here, I have data from a shift. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. We have the data from a shift, and all of this data is for the month of January 2021. I have the in time and the out time, and I want to know how much time did this employee work every day. Okay, so first of all, let's see the formatting of my timing over here. So I have the time formatted in 24 hours format. We can transform that into AM PM using the number formatting. So we'll simply select our data, use the Ctrl 1 shortcut, go to time, okay, and we will select the PM over here. There we go, okay. And this is our data transformed into AM PM format, okay. Now let's calculate how much time this employee is working every day. So we'll write equal out minus in, as simple as that. So on Friday the 1st of January 2021, this employee worked for 9 hours 2 minutes. Let's drag it down, and there we go. This is the time our employee is working every day, okay. Now this is very straightforward, but let's say that there was a day where our employee worked overnight. So how will Excel calculate that? Let's try that over here, for example. So let's say that he started at 15, so at 3 in the afternoon, and he finished at, let's say, 2 in the morning. Now, as you can see, we will get an error. Why is this error? Because the out time is smaller than the in time. So Excel will get confused, okay? That's why we will have to write a formula with the if function to avoid having this error. So it is equal to if, okay? What am I going to test? I want to know if the in time is bigger than the out time. So in time bigger than out time. If that is correct, I want the out time plus 1. So I will add 1 day to the out time, okay? Else, so if it is a normal case, I just want the out time as is. We will close parentheses, and then we will continue our formula minus what? The in time. Press enter, and there we go. So our guy worked for 11 hours during this shift. Now if we will drag it down to fill all the other cells, it will be the same exact result. Why? Because we have specified in the if function that if the in time is not bigger than the out time, we will have the same out time in the formula, okay? So let's drag it down, and there we go. As you can see, we have the same results, okay? Now the last thing we want to learn about is how to sum all of these work times. So let's zoom out a little bit, and now let's say that we want to sum it over here. So we will use the shortcut Alt equal, and this is the summation. But we only have 20 hours 28 minutes. Well, this doesn't make any sense, right? Why did this error happen? Because whenever you are summing time and you will exceed days, Excel will simply count up until 24 hours, and then it will add a day, okay? So it will not count the accumulation of hours. So in order to fix this error, we will simply go to number formatting using Ctrl 1, and then we will go to custom number formatting, and then we will search for the preset that has an H in brackets. We will select it, and then as you can see in the sample, we have now 212 hours 28 minutes and 00 seconds. Let's remove the seconds, we don't need them. Delete, press enter, and there we go. This is our total work time in the month of January 2021, okay? This is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and take care.